We're at Spiegel.
We are live here in Fremont, Ohio, where the forgotten President Rutherford B is buried. As you can see here, his home, Spiegel Grove, is very big and is built by, I believe, Rutherford B. Hayes' uncle, I think, and that is his library and museum. It is the oldest presidential library, built in 1916. The gravesite is over there with the gates, and we will now go there, possibly, before our tour of the home starts.
Alright, well, we're going to go on the house tour, so we're going to postpone the gravesite visit for a second. So I want to get a better shot of the house. I had to go step way back. Beautiful grounds here. Hey.
We're live here again after our tour at the Rutherford B. Hayes gravesite in Fremont, Ohio. The gates, luckily, are open, and we are walking towards the deceased president. The president died in, I believe it was 1893, and his wife, Lemonade Lucy, which was her nickname because she didn't believe in serving alcohol at presidential parties, are buried here, and she died in 1889, I believe.
Let's see, I think
There's a
so.
wreath here. I have no idea why. It's normally for the president's birthday. But he was born on October 4th. But, oh well. And the president's horses are buried around here. One of his
horse?
horses.
Horses.
Well, horse, but one was the uncle's horse. That was old Ned.
That's what this says.
This is the son Webb.
Oh, this is one of his sons, Webb Cook Hayes, and his wife, Mary Miller
The
Hayes.
president died with him while he was in the room with him.
Oh, his son was with him when he died?
Yes.
Oh, the president died in his bed in the house, correct?
I think he was being cradled. I think he was cradling the president.
The squirrel's going nuts.
Okay, this is not the horse. Follow the
Now we get these squirrels playing around the burial site. Where'd they go? Are they hiding? Oh, they're hidden right in there. What? Look, there's one. I can see his fur. He's hidden.
There's one right there.
I know, but there's one right next to the tomb here. Look. Hiding.
There he is.
It's probably rabid. This is our last presidential tour as we get within 4 feet to get the cute squirrel, and it's probably rabid because it's not afraid of us. There it is. Hey, wait a minute. This is not also the burial site of Daniel Boone, is it?
It's a squirrel.
I don't know.
It's another squirrel.
There's one outside the gate.
They were going nuts in the trees earlier.
This one thinks he's probably well hidden. But okay, good diversion. I get back. Yeah.
Daniel Boone.
It wasn't a coonskin, it was a squirrel hat. You never know what you find out at these places.
But
Here comes this other one sneaking back to get him.
as
Wait.
you can,
This one's sneaking back to get him. He's gonna get him.
this is presidential.
He's sneaking up on him. He's gonna get him.
Hey, he got the other two.
Yeah. They're just playing games. Hey, they're making quite a racket. Good.
The tombstone, very large, is made of solid granite from his grandfather's mine in Vermont. This is the original stone that was in a cemetery nearby. And when the president's second oldest son, Webb, had them transferred to the home grounds here, they needed a train and railroad actually to transfer this. It's so heavy. The squirrels are going nuts again, and the president, our 19th president, has many artifacts in his house that belong to Abraham Lincoln, actually. My favorite part of the home was the life-size portrait of the president. It has a gold frame, and I think the ceiling in the room needed to be about 13 feet high because of the frame in the portrait. We will see you in Cleveland.
So unfortunately, there was no photography allowed in the house, so we can't show you an image of the portrait.
Which would be real cool if we could.
But